Hello students, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. Today I brought you some important lesson. And today I'm going to be explaining the difference between beat and when. And a lot of my students, they find it difficult generally. And today I'm going to be explaining them. The first word we have is beat. So what is beat? Okay, there is a short definition about beat and we will explain it and you will understand it well and it will be clarified with a good example. The first thing you have to understand a beat is to a verb, we call it, right? It is an irregular verb. So a lot of students, they find it difficult and sometimes they use when instead of beat in some cases here. Or we can say they use when instead of beat in some cases. That's going to be considered incorrect. So here we will explain it well. What really it is. So you can be a person, right, that you are playing. We can say we would like to play with somebody, arguing and fighting, or etc. Like sometimes when you are playing with somebody and finally something happens that you beat them, right? Or it's going to be some sort of challengeable discussion, challengeable work, or challengeable support. You beat them and you're going to be the winner. Or it can be considered like a matter of arguing, or we can say a matter of fighting. When you fight with somebody, then you beat them, then you're going to be the winner. So we use it for this purpose. Here we have got one example. My friend beat me at poker when we played. My friend beat me when we played what? When we played poker, we can say. Okay. And we cannot say that my friend won me at poker when we played. When it comes to comes to playing, arguing and fighting, we usually, not usually, but most of the time, we use the word beat. We cannot say win or we can say won. Hope it's clarified. The next we have is when. And the second form is pronounced like a one. And the third form is also pronounced like a one. Okay, we have got when. There's a short definition of the when. You can win in a game, we could say, right? You can win in a race. You can win in a battle. You can win in argument. You can also win a prize, money, etc. It's very important to understand and to note it down. We've got some example here. My friend usually wins when we play what? When we play poker. You have to understand well, when it comes to playing poker, is still considered like we call it a game. Very simple, like it's some sort of game that is played. Okay, my friend usually wins when we play. My friend won the football match. My friend won the boxing match. It's all going to be considered correct when it comes to support, race, battle, and argument. Or we can say Adam won an argument. Or Adam and John, they won a very strong argument, right? It's also going to be considered correct. Okay, here we have both verbs are irregular. Beat and when, both of them are irregular. They are not regular. They do not have any rules. It must be memorized because we do not have any strict rules in order to learn it. As long as it's available, you have to read it, and then it must be perceived as a memorization. It must be memorized. Okay. Both verbs are irregular. It's pronounced beat, beat, beaten. Beat, beat, beaten. The next we have is when, one, and one. We can say past participle, or we can say third form of the verbs. I hope it's clarified, and thanks a lot for watching my video. And I want you to please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you very much.